Day one, it's like the first day of school, not talking to anybody, heads down, a little bit scared, not really understanding what they or their parents signed them up for.
This is their first work experience. So to be able to get along, some have boundary issues, sensory issues.
Alan was one of those shy, quiet, kept to himself campers.
Was giving kids an opportunity to develop job skills and to introduce them to a career in manufacturing. Many of them have physical and or cognitive disabilities, but in most cases, they're excellent employees. If you can figure out what their skills are, you'll have an employee for life.
The transformation is really pretty amazing. It's pretty cool to see a camper that was here for camp for 4 weeks 3 years ago is just telling us about his 3-year anniversary coming up at VPI.
My name is Alan Johnson. I'm originally from Kaukauna, Wisconsin, and I work here at VPI.
It's a strong employee base of loyal employees that really are looking for a place to land and to stay. And we find that all the time.
I feel like it made a big impact in your life.
Oh yeah, it improved my my working skills actually.
The second you walk in those doors, everything changes.